Have you ever wondered why doing all the right things still leaves you feeling off? You already have the potential for calm, energy, and joy wired into your brain, but those neural pathways weaken the longer you stay in survival mode. That's why I only open Peak State at 8 a few times a year, because this isn't a mass course. It's an intimate, high-touch program designed to help you retrain your mind and body for balance, peace, and sustained well-being. When the spots are full, enrollment closes. So if this speaks to you, now is the time. A few years ago, my life started falling apart physically, emotionally, mentally, relationally, financially, you name it. That's when I turned to psychology and neuroscience, psychoneuroimmunology, music psychology, and I discovered something life-changing. Happiness and health are skills of the nervous system. When we learn to rewire those systems, the joy, energy, and purpose we've been chasing start working with us again. That's the foundation of what became Peak State in 8. Peak State in 8 is an 8-week neuroscience and neuropsychology-based group coaching experience that helps you rewire your brain, body, and daily habits for meaning, calm, and authentic happiness. It's not therapy, it's not motivation, it's education and transformation built on the science of neuroplasticity and the psychology of thriving. You'll learn my Mind to Thrive framework, 7 research-backed pillars that make up the foundation of whole being well-being. And by week 8, you'll feel the difference, mentally lightened, emotionally steadier, physically more energized, and spiritually reconnected to meaning. Here's what the transformation looks like in practice. Calm the chaos. Learn evidence-based tools to regulate your nervous system and stop chronic overactivation. Clear the fog. Restore mental sharpness and decision-making clarity through neuroplasticity training. Strengthen resilience. Rebuild emotional stability with proven regulation and gratitude-based interventions. Reignite your joy. Use music psychology and positive emotion practices to rewire pleasure and purpose. Thrive holistically. Align your daily choices, nutrition, rest, mindset, relationships for the total harmony. This is the neuroscience of peace and purpose applied to real life. When you enroll in Peak State at 8, you'll receive 8 live weekly coaching calls, direct support and guidance from me personally. Neurohappiness assessment plus custom roadmap, so you'll identify your exact well-being patterns. Guided audio practices. They're short, evidence-based audios to regulate emotions in minutes. This is the framework, structure, and support your nervous system has been waiting for. This isn't about fixing yourself. It's about learning how to thrive again on purpose. And in just 8 weeks, you'll have the science, psychology, and structure to make that shift stick. Enrollment is open now, but only for a short time. Click the button or click the link below to learn more and join me inside Peak State in 8.